Why YouTube TV keeps crashing and how to fix it. YouTube TV may crash for several reasons, such as app glitches, device issues, or connectivity problems. Here's a list of common causes and solutions to fix the issue. Common causes for YouTube TV crashing: app glitches, outdated YouTube TV app or device software, corrupted app data causing instability, device issues, limited storage or memory on your device, device overheating or running multiple resource-intensive apps, internet connectivity, unstable or slow internet connection, network disruptions causing the app to fail, compatibility issues, device not fully compatible with the latest version of YouTube TV, incorrect settings on smart TVs or streaming devices, account or server problems, account-related glitches causing app crashes, temporary server outages on YouTube TV's end. How to fix YouTube TV crashing. 1. Restart your device. Turn off your device completely and unplug it, if possible. Wait for 30 seconds, then power it back on. Relaunch YouTube TV. 2. Update the app and device software. Update YouTube TV. Go to your app store, search for YouTube TV and update it. Update device firmware. Check for software updates in your device settings. Smart TV, Roku, or Fire Stick. 3. Clear app cache and data. On smart TV streaming devices, go to Settings Apps, YouTube TV Clear Cache, and clear data if available. On mobile devices, navigate to Settings Apps, YouTube TV Storage Clear Cache. 4. Check your internet connection. Ensure a stable internet connection with a minimum speed of 10 megabits per second for HD streaming. Restart your router or modem if needed. Use a wired Ethernet connection for better stability on smart TVs. 5. Reduce background activity. Close other apps running in the background. Ensure your device isn't overheating or low on memory. 6. Reinstall YouTube TV. Uninstall the app completely. Reinstall it from the App Store to refresh app data and remove any corruption. 7. Check for server issues. Visit platforms like Down Detector to see if YouTube TV is experiencing server outages. If it's a server-side issue, wait for YouTube TV to resolve it. 8. Reset your device, as a last resort. Perform a factory reset on your device if all else fails, but only after backing up important data.